Azure Monitor is a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you maximize the availability and performance of your applications and services by delivering a comprehensive solution for monitoring your Azure resources. Azure Monitor collects data from various sources, including Azure resources, applications, and the operating system. This data is then used to provide insights into the performance and health of your resources. Monitoring is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your Azure resources. It allows you to detect and diagnose issues before they become critical, ensuring that your applications and services remain available and performant. By interpreting metrics in Azure Monitor, you can gain insights into resource utilization, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions about scaling and optimizing your infrastructure. Effective monitoring helps in proactive management, reducing downtime, and improving the overall user experience. Azure Monitor metrics are numerical values that describe some aspect of a system at a particular point in time. These metrics are collected at regular intervals and can be used to track the performance and health of your resources. Metrics in Azure Monitor are stored in a time series database, allowing you to analyze trends over time. Common metrics include CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network traffic. Understanding these metrics is key to interpreting the health and performance of your Azure resources. Azure Monitor collects metrics from various sources, including Azure resources, applications, and the operating system. These metrics are automatically collected and stored in a time series database. You can also create custom metrics to track specific aspects of your applications or infrastructure. Azure Monitor provides several tools for collecting and analyzing metrics, including the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, and Azure PowerShell. By collecting and analyzing metrics, you can gain insights into the performance and health of your resources. Analyzing metrics in Azure Monitor involves examining the collected data to identify trends, anomalies, and potential issues. The Azure Portal provides several tools for analyzing metrics, including charts, dashboards, and alerts. You can create custom charts to visualize specific metrics and track their performance over time. Dashboards allow you to create a unified view of your metrics, making it easier to monitor the health and performance of your resources. Alerts can be configured to notify you when specific metrics exceed predefined thresholds, allowing you to take proactive action. Custom metrics allow you to track specific aspects of your applications or infrastructure that are not covered by the default metrics provided by Azure Monitor. You can create custom metrics using the Azure Monitor API, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. Custom metrics can be used to track application-specific performance indicators, such as the number of transactions processed or the response time of a web service. By creating custom metrics, you can gain deeper insights into the performance and health of your applications and infrastructure. Alerts in Azure Monitor allow you to proactively monitor the health and performance of your resources by notifying you when specific metrics exceed predefined thresholds. You can create alerts for any metric collected by Azure Monitor, including custom metrics. Alerts can be configured to send notifications via email, SMS, or other channels, allowing you to take immediate action when an issue is detected. By setting up alerts, you can ensure that you are always aware of potential issues and can take proactive steps to resolve them before they impact your applications and services. Dashboards in Azure Monitor provide a unified view of your metrics, allowing you to monitor the health and performance of your resources at a glance. You can create custom dashboards to display specific metrics and track their performance over time. Dashboards can be shared with other team members, making it easier to collaborate and ensure that everyone has access to the same information. By creating dashboards, you can gain a comprehensive view of your metrics and make informed decisions about the health and performance of your resources. Log Analytics is a feature of Azure Monitor that allows you to collect and analyze log data from your Azure resources. Log data can provide additional insights into the performance and health of your resources, complementing the metrics collected by Azure Monitor. You can use Log Analytics to query and analyze log data, create custom alerts, and visualize log data in charts and dashboards. By using log analytics, you can gain a deeper understanding of the performance and health of your resources and take proactive steps to resolve issues. Azure Monitor can be integrated with other Azure services to provide a comprehensive monitoring solution. For example, you can integrate Azure Monitor with Azure Automation to automate responses to alerts, or with Azure Logic apps to create custom workflows based on metric data. Integration with other Azure services allows you to extend the capabilities of Azure Monitor and create a more robust monitoring solution. By integrating Azure Monitor with other services, you can gain deeper insights into the performance and health of your resources and take proactive steps to resolve issues. To effectively monitor your Azure resources, it is important to follow best practices. This includes regularly reviewing and updating your monitoring configuration, setting up alerts for critical metrics, and creating custom metrics to track application-specific performance indicators. It is also important to regularly review and analyze your metrics to identify trends and potential issues. By following best practices, you can ensure that you are effectively monitoring the health and performance of your resources and can take proactive steps to resolve issues before they impact your applications and services. To illustrate the importance of interpreting metrics in Azure Monitor, let's consider a real-world example. A company running a web application on Azure noticed a sudden increase in response times. By analyzing the metrics in Azure Monitor, they identified a spike in CPU usage on their web servers. Further investigation revealed that a recent code deployment had introduced an inefficient algorithm causing the increased CPU usage. By rolling back the deployment and optimizing the code, they were able to resolve the issue and restore normal performance. This example highlights the importance of monitoring and interpreting metrics to quickly identify and resolve issues. Interpreting metrics in Azure Monitor is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your Azure resources. By collecting, analyzing, and acting on metrics, you can gain insights into resource utilization, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions about scaling and optimizing your infrastructure. To get started, explore the Azure Monitor documentation and set up monitoring for your Azure resources. Regularly review and analyze your metrics, set up alerts for critical metrics, and create custom metrics to track application-specific performance indicators. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Azure resources remain available and performant.